Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video we're going to take a look at how we can solve simultaneous equations. In this question we are asked to solve the equations 7x plus y equals 21 and 3x plus y equals 13. And we need to work out the value for x and for y that fit both of these two equations. I'm going to start by labelling my equations. I'm going to label them as equation 1 and equation 2. Now I need to look for any matches in my two equations. Well, my x terms don't match, but my y terms do. So that means I can do equation 1, subtract equation 2 to eliminate y from my set of equations. If I do equation 1, subtract equation 2, I'm doing 7x, subtract 3x, which is 4x. Y subtract y is 0. And 21 subtract 13 is 8. And this gives me an equation I can solve for x. And I can do this by dividing by 4 on both sides. And this gives me x equals 2. So I found out what my x is. Now I need to use that x to find out what y is going to be. To do this, I'm going to substitute this x equals 2 into one of my two equations. It doesn't matter which one I pick, I'm going to pick 1. So I write sub into equation 1. And if I substitute this into equation 1, that's going to be 7 times 2 plus y equals 21. Well, 7 times 2 is 14. And I can solve this equation by using inverse operations and subtracting 14 from both sides. And that's going to give me y equals 7. So I find that my two solutions here are that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. I could double check this using my second equation. If x equals 2, that's 3 times 2, which is 6. Add y, which is 7, and that does make 13. So I know my answer is correct. In this second question, I'm asked to solve 5x plus 6y equals 40 and 5x plus 2y equals 20. Again, I'm going to start by labelling my equations as equation 1 and equation 2. And I need to look for a match in the same variable. So I look for my x's, well, I've got a 5x and a 5x. Those two match. So I'm going to eliminate x from this set of equations. And I'm going to do that again by doing equation 1, subtract equation 2. If I do this subtraction, well, 5x minus 5x is 0. 6y minus 2y is 4y. And 40 minus 20 is 20. I can now solve this by dividing by 4 on both sides. So y is equal to 5. I now need to use this fact that y is 5 to solve for x. I'm going to substitute it into one of these. Again, I'm going to choose equation 1. So I write sub into equation 1. I have 5x plus 6 times by y, which is 5, and that is equal to 40. Well, 6 times 5 is 30, so this is 5x plus 30 equals 40. And I can solve this two-step equation by subtracting 30 from both sides. That gives me 5x equals 10, and then dividing by 5. Leaving me with x equals 2. So my solution here is x equals 2 and y equals 5. In this last example, we're asked to solve the equations 9x minus 4y equals 19 and 4x plus 4y equals 20. Again, we'll start by labelling our equations as equation 1 and equation 2. I now need to look for a match in the same variable. Well, I have 9x and 4x, they don't match. And I have negative 4y and positive 4y. Well, if I add those together, they will cancel out. So that's the match we're going to use. And this time we're going to add our two equations. If we add equation 1 and equation 2, 9x add 4x is 13x. Negative 4y add 4y is 0. And 19 add 20 is 39. And we can solve this for x by dividing both sides by 13. Which gives us x equals 3. So we've worked out what x is, we now need to find y. And this time I'm going to sub into equation 2, because in this equation everything is positive, and that makes things a little bit easier. So sub into equation 2. That means 4 times by 3, because x is 3, add 4y equals 20. 4 times 3 is 12, add 4y equals 20. We can subtract 12 from both sides to get 4y equals 8, and finally divide by 4 to find that y is equal to 2. So we've solved our two equations, x equals 3 and y equals 2.